How to highlight text in Capcut. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to highlight text in Capcut. Highlighting text is a great way to make certain words or phrases stand out in your video. And let's get started. Open Capcut on your device and create a new project. Pick the video or photo that you have to edit. Once in the editing dashboard, tap on Text, and then Add Text to type the text you want to highlight. Adjust the size, font, and position of the text using the tools provided. To highlight, go to the Style section, then tap on the background option in it. You can select a color for the background that contrasts well with your text. Adjust the background opacity and size sliders to control how bold the highlight appears. Preview your video to ensure the text highlighting looks exactly how you want it. Once you're happy with the result, save your video. And that's how you highlight text in Capcut. It's a simple yet powerful way to draw attention to important details in your videos. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.